Hey guys, today I'm talking about how you can get some free money so you can start investing, and I'm also sharing a very cool investing tip with you guys. So make sure you watch till the end of the video so you can get the full value. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Farah. We talk about building business online. If you're interested in that, then please do subscribe. So as my subscribers know, I am an Amazon seller for the past 12 years. And 2020 was the year of pivots and changes for my business and myself. I started this YouTube channel. I also launched 2 new Amazon brands. It became all about building different income streams. And my husband and I, we also started learning about investing seriously. Because when the market crash happened in the March of 2020 because of COVID, we were not in the right place at the right time. We had no cash savings that we could put into stock investments because, you could see that that was such a great opportunity and we missed out on that. And so we decided that, we are going to start learning about this stuff and not be lazy about it anymore. So we just thought, let's take the plunge and just start investing, whatever we have, little by little. We will learn about it and, we will grow with the process. So I wanted to share one of the first things I did when I started investing. And I wish that I found out about this sooner than I did because, it's such an easy thing to do and, it sort of starts you off nicely. So that's what I'm sharing with you guys today in this video, so you don't have that regret. So with this context, I'm starting a new series on this channel where I will be talking about newbie investor tips with you guys because I figured the only way I'm actually going to spend time and learn about this stuff is if I am making a YouTube video, because I spend all my time researching stuff for you guys. So it's sort of like I'm giving myself some external accountability and motivation to do this and learn about this stuff. Before we get to the tip I'm sharing with you guys today, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing what I have learned over the past few months investing myself, and I'm just sharing my journey here. If you need more advice or you're concerned about something, please do talk to a financial advisor before you invest anything. So the app I'm talking about today is Trading 212. This app has really made it possible for me as a small investor to start investing without taking too much risk. And this app lets you invest in stocks and shares for as little as £1. It's a game changer and it has truly democratized, in the true sense of the word. It has democratized investing for the small investor. Before, it wasn't possible for small investors to get into the game because you had, transaction fees every time you traded something or bought something. And if you only had, like £100 or £200 or £500 to spend, you ended up paying a lot of that money in fees. So there are no extortionate commissions in this app, and this has opened up opportunities for the, small investor who can put a little bit of money every week, every month, every day in this app and slowly build up their investment portfolio. So the tip I wanted to share with you guys is if you click the link in the description below, it's the first link. Download this app and you will get a free share, and I will get a free share when you download and install this app. How cool is that? They just start you off with a free share. This is the link you're going to use to install the app. It will open the App Store and you're going to just simply download the app. And you're going to open the Trading 212 ISA account. And then all you need to do is deposit funds. Just set up your bank account details and deposit £1 and you should receive your free share. In case the link doesn't work, then just go to the App Store, just download the app, simply, nothing else. Install it on your phone, and then again, same thing, Trading 212 ISA account. Use the code at the end of my link and paste that code in the promo code area on your app, and you should get the free share. You will just need to deposit £1. And the minimum I have seen the value of the share between my friends and family when we were doing this little game, downloading this app installing it on our phones, it was about £10 at the minimum. And guess what? The share I got, I hit the jackpot. I got, a £45 worth Unilever share. And it was cool because nobody else in my family got it and I got it, and it was quite cool. So let me know in the comments below who is going to try this, and make sure you use my link in the description below to get your free share. And that's how you will start investing. You have, invested your first £1 in this app. And this is what you couldn't do back in the days. You had you know, like it was unthinkable to be able to buy a stock for nothing and actually get some free money for it. You know, it's a game changer. This is how your money will start growing more money. This is how money grows. And I'm not recommending that you do any crazy stuff, any volatile stuff, and, you know, start buying, selling and trading like crazy. No, we are just going to, you know, as you can see, my portfolio over here, I only invested a little bit of money over the past 2 months, and my portfolio has grown about 13%. And I hardly did anything. So I want to encourage you to do frugal investing and not any kind of volatile investing in trading where you might lose money. Don't do that. Or if you guys want to know the stock I'm invested in, let me know in the comments below, and also give this video a like if you guys like this video and I've enjoyed the tip, because clearly it's quite exciting for me to learn about this stuff, and I'm actually going to remember this. This is actually sort of a bit more entertaining for me to do, and, you know, not do constant product research videos about Amazon on the channel. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this video. If you want to know about my portfolio and what I have invested in and how it has grown, why did I do this, what was my reason. So whenever I do my next investing video, I will talk about that. Let me know in the comments below. But on a serious note, you guys can, you know, set a goal for yourself in 2021 that I am going to start my Amazon FBA business, and I'm also going to start investing through this app because it has made it possible to invest small amounts of money. If you can manage £1 per day, that's great. If you can manage a little bit more, like £10 or £25 per week, or £50 per week, whatever, you know, your money will start accumulating and, you know, compounding, and it will, you know, just see at the end of the year, where do you get to and what have you earned, what is your return on your Amazon FBA business and on your investing portfolio. Well, as an example, on one of my Amazon brands, the return on my investment in that brand on Amazon alone, it's sort of very close to what I have made a return on investing in this app. Obviously, what I invested in my business was a lot more, and it gave me more cash flow. But here in this, it's just sort of accumulating itself, and so that my business is giving me the opportunity to put a little bit of money in my investing pot every month. And so this is what you need to understand. You need to be able to have enough, you know, a little bit of money on the side so you can put into your investing pot. And having a business gives you that opportunity. Having a business helps you grow that opportunity and grow this, you know, investing pot over time. This is what rich people do. Amazon share price at the moment is about $3,300 or something at the time of recording this video. And you are able to buy this share, a fraction of this share at, you know, at £10 per day, £25 per week. This app Trading 212 allows you to do that, to buy a fraction of this share, you know, whatever your budget is, and it is mind-blowing. I didn't actually realize this until, you know, very recently, that a lot of Amazon sellers are also investors in Amazon stock. And it's just when your head is in the, you know, sand, you're very closely like in your own little zone, you don't realize what's going on and what could be the opportunities around you. You don't lift your head up and look around. With this video, I want to give you that opportunity to lift your head and look around and see other opportunities around you, and build your business with Amazon FBA, and also invest into your, you know, investing pot, in your accumulating your money, so it, you know, grows and compounds over the year. And we will see at the end of the year, where do we get to. It's very important to grow a business, and also very important to keep investing a little bit of money on the side. This app Trading 212 has made it possible for people in the UK especially to be able to do that. So, you know, I want you to, you know, make use of that. I wish somebody had told me earlier. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on the next video. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this. Give this video a like and share it with your friends and family. And make sure you use my link to get your free share and download the app. And let me know what you guys think about the information I've shared. I'm open to, you know, comments. Let me know what you guys think. And I think that's it for today. I will see you guys next time. Bye.